If your Oral-B IO Series 2 is showing a blinking red light, it's signaling a fault condition. In most cases, this isn't permanent damage, it's the brush protecting itself. The most common cause is battery related. If the battery is fully drained, aging, or miscalibrated, the red light can flash repeatedly. Less commonly, internal sensor errors, moisture exposure, or firmware glitches may trigger the warning. Start with a full reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, then place the brush on the charger and leave it there for a full 24 hours without interruption. Next, clean the charging contacts on both the handle and base using a dry cotton swab. Even light buildup can interfere with charging detection. If the issue continues, recalibrate the battery, fully charge it until the indicator turns solid, then use it until completely drained. Recharge again to 100% in one continuous session. This often restores proper battery readings. If none of these steps fix the blinking red light, the issue may be internal and require warranty service or repair.